I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open the app and tap the plus button to start a new note. You want to begin capturing while ideas are fresh. Choose a template when you need structure, or pick blank for freeform. If you plan to record, allow microphone and camera access now so recording works smoothly. Name the note and add 1 or 2 tags so you can find it later. This saves time when your notes multiply. Once the note exists, add content. Type a clear title, then use lists or checkboxes to break tasks into steps. Insert photos or attach a PDF for visual reference. Record a short voice clip if typing slows you down. Drag items to reorder priority. This keeps the most important info at the top. Make sure to tag or color the note to categorize it. Doing so speeds retrieval and keeps your workspace tidy. When the note is ready, share it. Generate a link or export as PDF and choose edit or view permission based on who needs access. Enable automatic backup to your cloud account so changes are safe across devices. Verify the sync status icon to confirm success. If something goes wrong, sync stalls or a note disappears, force close the app, check your internet connection, and re-authenticate your account. Reopening usually restores missing items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.